Hey guys, it's your boy JC and welcome back to another vlog. Woo!
So nandito na kami sa ano, sa
Sabihan ni Padre,
sa loob. So nakapag-check-in na kami. Tapos nag-aantay na lang kami. 5:30 yung ano namin, yung flight. So ito si Carlo. Kaya po, Kurt. Sino pa? Kurt. Tapos
nagalit din.
Biglang nanahimik si Jerome, hindi nag-reply.
si Rain,
Yung sunod na message niya, nag-steak ako guys.
Evan, Ram, Justin. And yeah, that's it. So we're just waiting for the flight. And yeah, see you guys soon.
Why is everybody walking in a straight line? Really boarding. We're going on a trip on favorite rocket ship. Guys, we're now flying! Woo! So the Gold Coast trip. Documented already. It's official. Lilipad na kami guys.
Hello guys, welcome to the start of our Gold Coast trip.
Why are you fighting, huh? Why are you fighting over the seats?
Kasi yung bubo nito. Tingnan mo yung bubo nito, wala energy. Tingnan mo yung backpack nila, ito sa iba.
Oh, it's not a baggage, bro. It's a duffel bag. Buti lang ako mag-isa. Magsisente-sente na lang ako dito sa gilid. Isang mga ibang mokong nandun, no? Nandun sila. Si Evan solo mode dun, kawawa naman. We have now officially landed in Gold Coast Curve. Let the day begin. Let the day begin. So ano na gagawin natin dito ngayon?
Pick up ng kotse.
Pick up ng kotse. Pero 9 o'clock pa.
Still time.
Yes, 9 o'clock pa. So,
dalawang oras ko. Ay, 13 o'clock.
let's go guys. Luggage bikes, no. Ba't Austria? Pagod ang mga tao sa biyahe.
Ayun lang, pagod.
Ayan, pagod. First order of business is to collect our car that we rented from VIP Cars. I'll link it down below here. But yeah, parang 400 something dollars for the whole trip, 5 days, 8-seater van. We're still waiting for a car that we booked, and currently it's only 7:49. But the car comes at 9 o'clock, so we still have an hour to waste. So we're just doing some TikToks, right? We don't have an itinerary. We'll be doing a spontaneous trip, but of course we'll be doing some theme parks in this trip. We'll be going for 4 nights and 5 days, and we'll take you guys along in our fun journey.
check me out.
Oh. Yes, we're getting picked up by East Coast Car Shuttle to pick up our van.
What was your booking now?
John Carlo Duran.
Yeah, there's a seat in the front.
Sure, sit at the front.
Diyan ka doon ka sa likod, hindi ka naman nagbayad dito eh.
Hindi ka naman nagbayad eh. Ba't nag-aaway na agad?
Wala kang karapatan boy. Diyan ka sa seat.
Kids, put your seatbelt on!
Hindi pwede kumain sila dito tapos lahat.
Got picked up here at the East Coast car rental. We're now here to pick up our car. So you just have to have a valid ID and then the booking you did online. Oh, ito nga pala yung car namin guys. Ang ganda oh. Sheesh! Laki ng car namin oh. Nirent namin yan for 5 days. So I think that was roughly $480 for the car. And then kumuha kami ng car insurance for $250. Hey guys, we got the car. 21 Fernie. So it's this big Hyundai Staria, 8-seater car. I thought it was Carnival to kasi di ba nakalagay sa ano Carnival. Either way, it's good. Massive. Good for long drive. Kapag ano, odometer mo.
Hello guys, Surfers Paradise!
Dito na tayo.
Ito lang yung paraiso mapupuntahan natin. Surfers Paradise!
What's our plan?
We are actually on our way to eat right now.
Where are we eating?
My ass.
Beep!
Kurt Brown.
I mean, you want some? Sarap ito.
Lako na Justin.
Maasim.
Favorite character ko.
Uy, hindi ako rin.
Oh, yung pogi oh.
Nasaan card mo?
Si Aiba.
Si Aiba.
Tanggalin mo yung shades, tanggalin mo yung shades.
Oops.
Gusto yun?
So we here at Surfers Paradise. Anong mall to? Nox. Parang pavilion na nga ata to eh. Yeah, we're here at the Surfers Paradise Mall. I don't know what it's called, but still looking for something to eat. Wow! Look at that building. Whoa! This is Surfers Paradise for you guys.
Ma, kind of thirsty.
Where are we going? How do you feel being here in Gold Coast?
It was great. It was great.
Huh?
It was great.
It feels great. Ayun lang tayo, Korean no?
Siram yan eh, halal.
Walang Korean na agad.
Halal ka daw. Huwag kawawa naman yung si Ram. Kanina, tinawag niya ng Samoan. Samoan Thailand.
United Nations na yan, boy.
Binubuli niyo naman to si Ram. Okay lang yan Ram, ganyan ang buhay. You will find the right people. You will find the right people in your life na hindi ka gagantahin. Kaya umalis ka. Joke lang. Yeah. Pero naliligaw na tayo guys. Saan na tayo? Wala pa rin makitang kakainan.
Ram, paborito mo. Ako. Wait. I don't receive.
Hindi pala kay Rin pala to, kebab. Ikaw yung umorder ng kebab, kebab. Rin, no? Ay, may sombrero.
Guys, shopping na agad sila. Oh, grabe oh. Kakadating pa lang. Ito, masangga lang yan.
Hindi pa ako makain.
Hindi pa ako kumakain.
Ay, mate. Wala na energy.
Wala na energy. Nandito kami ngayon sa Uso. So where are we eating, boy?
Sa Netherlands. Currently, we are in Netherlands eating uso.
Oh, Usok. Yeah.
Uso.
Wala na ba upuan? Netherlands, marami.
to our Airbnb here at Gold Coast. First, toilet. If you follow me through here, we have a sink, a toilet,
And a shower.
Water test. Look. And then if you follow me over here, we have a little closet. We got 2 doors, and then we have this beautiful master bedroom with our beautiful guest. Over here we have a TV. If you follow me over here, we have a beautiful view of the tallest building in Australia, the Sky Point. Yep. And then you have a good view of the overall city. If you follow me over here, over here, you'll follow me into the main living room. So first, if you look to your right, we have a kitchen, electric countertop, sink, freezer, plates, wine glasses, microwave, oven, everything you need. Look over here. We have the living room. The living room, Lucky Buddha. Look behind you, right there. That's the TV. Wave, say hi guys. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. We have our big dining table over here.
And we have a moon there.
And then
we have a special
we
guest.
have this amazing view.
We have the moon.
Yep, guys, just admire the view of the amazing Nile River over there. Look to the left. Sky Point. Look to the right. Okay. Come over here. Come over here. Look to the right again. We have our other main bedroom. Here we will have a good double mattress. Over here, a very spacious closet, you know. And if you look over there, an amazing view of the river. That will conclude our little Airbnb tour. Tune in for the next episode where we will be cooking.
Guys, quick update. Where are we? The groceries? We're in groceries, bros. We're gonna buy some food because we don't have any food. We're gonna do some quick groceries and then we'll go back to Airbnb and then we're gonna take a nap and then we're going beach. Guys, we're going Coles.
Boy, boat tayo lahat.
Ano? Boat? Ano?
Wala.
Guys, mag-photoboat daw kami.
Tara lahat tayo kasi tayo dyan.
Photoboat daw kami. Ha?
$8.
Tigti $2 tayo. Tapos sigot mo muna, oh.
$1 tayo.
Guys, photoboat daw kami, photoboat.
Saan na iba?
Hoy! Photovote na tayo, photovote.
Ayaw nila.
Welcome to photovote! What? Dito kami ngayon nag-grocery na. We're buying food for our breakfast, dinner for the next few days. Ito magiging Chef Boy logo namin. Sa ano lutuin mong bukas, Rain?
Chef Boy Negro.
Sino yun? Ito yun eh.
Zimbabwe.
Pangat ko daw.
Ginagawa
Ng
pangat mo.
boy, kahit anong gamitin mo boy, pangas ka pa din.
For $1.
Ha?
There's corn for $1. Like the big.
That's good.
Hindi, shampoo ko.
Ang dami nangyayari, guys. Mahirap talaga pag mga kasama mo, mga lalaki. Walang mga ano eh. Ano yan?
Sunscreen.
Oh.
Deodorant. Hand cream.
Oh, kompleto naman ako eh.
That's good.
Boy, body washing, bili ng body washing ko na boy.
Guys, update.
Gusto niyo ba ice cream?
Ito na yung mga pagkain namin. Napuno na kanina, walang kalaman-laman yun.
Tara na.
Sobra out of budget na agad kami. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, dapat di ba mag-prepare tayo ng lulutuin talaga. Tingnan mo nangyari sa atin.
Masabi ko sa inyo. Kinig sa akin.
Ano yan?
Wala nang pambayad.
Nakabili kay card.
Na kay Justin.
Bakit kailangan ni Ren yan?
Bakit ka na kay Justin?
Para makapasok.
Guess how much? Guess how much? Ikaw.
I must say 400 or 350.
400 or 350. Pag nahula mo, ikaw ang babayad.
Uy,
Guess how much?
420.
Ikaw.
387.
387.
367.
367. Ikaw.
$4.
May isa tayong laging epal na kaibigan eh.
274.
274.
Hindi ka pag nakuha mo kasi, ikaw magbabayad.
Ako. 328. O, sino makakukuha siya magbabayad ah.
Pero feel ko bullshit yung kailangan to iskan yung TV.
No, kailangan. Hindi.
Kapampam lang para may ginagawa. Ako lang, tatrabaho ng marangal ka.
O, kaya nga. Ito. Nasa vlog yun.
Parang si Paul hindi nang galing dun eh, no?
Kaya nga.
Parang hindi galing sa akin yung sinabi.
Kinakabahan na to. Ang sabi mo?
Rico.
Sutukan na lang kayo. Sige.
I'm a bigger man.
Wow, good.
21 years old, tapos ganito.
Ano yung sabihin nun? Ano yung ganito?
Hindi yun nga, bata eh.
Si Ivan yan?
Ay, si Ayaw pa rin.
Yung guys, andito na kami sa Airbnb. Mga antok kayo sa mga tumatao dito. Kaso may isang kaming kaibigan guys.
Walang cellphone. Ano guys?
Matalokon Weber.
Sa tagal namin pagsasama.
Di naman kasi yung bati. Saksakan ng iPhone niya. Gagi laptop charger.
Ay, siguro kaya lumubo.
Yeah, there is.
Parang?
Na parang like.
Parang like?
Na para bang ano?
Guys, ang yari sa cellphone niya. Lumubo. Kasi lobo niya siya.
Kasi ram siguro yung voltage ng charger sumusobra kaya.
Baka nga. Ano guys, sira na yung cellphone niya guys. Nung kita niya, lumubo na kasi lobo niya.
Kaya nag-ano po kami ng GoFundMe.
Nag-GoFundMe please.
Para sa mga nais tumulong sa kapatid namin Butandi.
Huwag niyo nakasalin. Kawawa na nga eh. Tinawag na nga siya kanina ng ano eh, bull shark.
Bullshit.
Isa namin kaibigan dito guys, pa-chill-chill lang.
Nagugutom ako.
Papahinga lang kami and then magbe-beach volleyball po kami ngayong hapon. Sama namin kay Mama sa beach volleyball. Ano?
Guys, huwag niyo kalimutan bayaran guys. Yun yung budget ko sa buong Gold Coast.
Ginamit namin guys yung ano niya, yung ginamit namin mo?
Gift card.
Gift card niya.
Voucher!
Yun, babayaran na namin siya ng ano, ng magkano? $50? Catch you guys later! Look at that, you see that slingshot?
Can I ride it, Daddy?
Yan pa yung napapanood
Did you just say that? Happy Australia Days, everyone!
Yan pa yung napapanood ko na umangat tinamaan ng ibon.
So we're just walking around the streets of Surfers Paradise. We're gonna play beach volleyball. Surfers Paradise. We're now here at Surfers Paradise. Surfers Paradise. Yes, sir. Why so many people?
This is the best crowd I've ever had. This is the best crowd I've ever had. All right, I'm about to start my show. I forgot to mention one thing. This is the best crowd I've ever had. It's the greatest crowd I've ever had. It's such a nice crowd.
Kasi po ulit-ulit. Kaya nga. Guys, we made it. We're here. Where's the net? Ano nararamdaman mo ngayon nandito ka na sa Surfers Paradise? Masaya ka lang? Masaya ka na? Ha? Masaya ka na?
sir.
So ready ka na.
Ikaw,
So ready ka na.
ready na.
Ready ka manalo. Ready ka na ang anak ko ni ano.
Ha?
San Pedro daw sabi ni Rin. Sobrang saya mo. Naka San Pedro outfit siya, oh. Guys, quick update. Tapos na kayo maglaro. Magbababad na kami ng paa. Yan. Sa dagat. Yan, ang dilim na, oh. Meron tayong pa rin tao.
Daming tao.
Kaya nga eh. Sarap sana maligo. Oh, ang lamig! Ang sarap! Wow! Ang lamig! Ang lamig! Oh no! May shark! Ayan. Ito yung shark. Oh, yung sarap ng tubig. Ang lamig. Alam mo yung sobrang init, nagkakalagkit ng katawan. Pero ang ganda ng view sa gabi, oh.
Ba't parang ganyan? It's like, hindi siya clear.
Ah, dahil sa ilaw yun ng ano, ng ang ganda ng ano, ganda ng view sa gabi. Wow. So nice. Pero it would be nicer. Oh, kung minahal ka niya. Oy!
Sino ba yan?
Sino ba yun? So guys, we're heading back home to Airbnb. I'm pretty tired. We just have to cook dinner. And then tomorrow is our actual first day. First full day of activities. Ano plan na bukas, boy?
So we're gonna wake up, have breakfast, go to Wet n Wild, and see where the day takes us.
Yes. Uy, gagi! Uy, ang pogi, oh! Tanggalin mo nga sa, ano mo, salamin. Tanggalin mo yan. Uy, 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 uy. Guys. Alright, so this is our first meal of the night.
With them boys.
Steak night.
Boys.
Yeah, he's our head chef. Yes.
This is Coke, by the way.
This is Pepsi Coke. Just letting you know that there's a proof. Pep.
Hindi yung ano.
Fries?
Just a suka.
Let's eat, guys. Let's eat.